What is up, y'all? It's your boy Johnny from my online clothing brand, and we're gonna get right into it today. How to make your own hang tag. I got us all set up. We're gonna get straight to it. It's very simple, very simple. Here's what you need: hole punch, pair of scissors, a safety pin. This is a smaller black one. I get these off of Amazon. You can get 200 of them for $4. Great investment. A piece of string or yarn. Sorry. You can get fucking whole roll of that at Hobby Lobby for $6. And then we got our actual hang tag itself. Now, got mine looking real nice. It's got kind of this texture, natural finish to it. Just the logo on both sides does the job. When it's all said and done, you're going to be using it so your packaging can give off this impression. This is the tag that hangs from the shirt, your own hang tag here. Now, so regardless of, you know, going the route of getting the actual little gun, you know, it just doesn't look as good. This is a way you can get straight into it for cheap. I continue to use it even with, you know, having our inventory look like that right now. It takes a little longer, but it's a great look. So this right here, guys, this is a business card I got off of vistaprint.com. I got 500 of them, and really, you know, they have, you know, just regular business cards. Now the only difference is I flipped mine vertically, rounded the corners, and gave it this natural finish. I forget what it's actually called, something linen maybe. But yeah, this is just a business card off of Vistaprint. This right here cost me like, what, 5 cents? When everything was said and done, I'd have to check the actual numbers, but I think I paid like 30 to 40 bucks for 500 of these. So yeah. So you're literally putting just a hole with a hole punch into your card here. And then you just take your string here, give yourself plenty of room just in case you screw up or something. You'll learn about how much yard to use later after you do this a couple hundred times. But just double knot it, okay? And cut off the end. So now you got something looking like this. Obviously, this is way too long right now. And then you just kind of lick the end a little bit, twist it up so it's going to fit through your little opening, depending on how big it is. This can get frustrating sometimes. I just got a first try there. Cut off the slack. Double knot it once again. So like I said, guys, business card, yarn, safety pin. It doesn't get much easier than that. Each of this entire fucking... it cost me like 15 cents to add this to each one of my garments, and it costs about a minute or less of my time. So I think that's an investment that's well worth it when you're trying to get on the way with your clothing brand. So there you go, guys. You know, that just pins right at the hem. This hangs down on your shirt. 15 cents. Great extra touch. Hope you guys feel so too. It's very simple. Just requires a little extra time. If you're serious about what you're doing in your clothing brand, I hope that extra time and investment is worth it to you. I know it is for our brand. So my online clothing brand, be sure to subscribe for more videos like this. Wish you guys all the most success that you can possibly gain. Keep an eye out for new videos. This is a new channel. Not sure how frequently right now I'm going to be uploading videos. This is the second one, you know, I've ever uploaded. So we'll see. Hopefully you guys like it. My clothing brand, if you want to check it out, is called Spread Love Supply Company. I feel like I'm saying a lot. I got to work on that. But yeah, that's my website right there, spreadlovesupply.com. Give it a look. I think you'll like it. My name's Johnny. We will see you guys next time. Hey guys, real quick, one more thing. I mentioned how cheap it was for these hang tags, 15 cents each. Yeah, super cheap. It doesn't take a lot of time, but when we're I just want to point out real fast why we're doing this. We're not doing it just to have it be something extra. Why we're actually doing this is just to create that value, that perception that everything, you know, is we got it all together. We're not cutting any corners. We're giving every little extra bit to the shirt or the garment, which we are. But guys, like, it doesn't hurt ever. I just want to throw this out there to cut into your profit margins just a little bit, to completely wow a customer, because that's what's going to make the difference between them coming to place a second order with your online store or not. They get in, you know, this shirt right here. It doesn't have any of this extra stuff. You know, they may still really like it. I'm not saying they won't, but having this extra stuff on there just gives them even more to be excited about. I keep flipping the camera around, but you notice that I put these stickers here too. That cost me for both of those under 50 cents each. So to add all three of these, 65 cents or under. I pay, let's see, out the door with everything, just under $10 for one of these shirts. I charge $30 on my website. So I'm making $20 profit for every $10 spent on one of these shirts. I think I can afford to wow my customer and make them want to come back to place another order with me. It's all, you can never do too much for the customer, man. I know maybe you're just getting started. You got 50, maybe you got even just 20 to 100 shirts. You're trying to really maximize it. I get that. That's why you're watching this video in the first place. Continue to operate that way. That's what's going to keep you growing until you're able to spread your wings a little more. Continue to be frugal. Not saying don't, but never cut into the value that you can give the customer just to save a little bit of money. Once this is all said and done, you know, I'm going to be, if I was to ship this shirt out right now, here's my box of fucking wristbands I have here packaged up. They're going to get one of those on top of their garment. They're probably also going to come back here, get a little coupon code for their next visit. Maybe they'll get a button. Maybe they'll get even some more extra shit. All this really doesn't hardly cost me everything or anything. To them, it means everything. So guys, just keep adding the value. I'm happy you watched this video in the first place and that you're willing to go and add this hang tag. This has been a pretty long kind of side note to what I was actually planning to put in the video itself, but I didn't want to miss the opportunity here to add some value personally, to tell you to don't forget to add the value. So once again, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Have a great night. Check out spreadlovesupply.com if you want. Subscribe. This is my online clothing brand, baby. Coming for you all, man. 2020 is our year, man. Let's get it. You got a clothing brand out there. You're really passionate about it. You can't stop thinking about it. Good. Don't stop thinking about it until you start getting some of these results that you know that you can get. I'll see you in the next episode.